Hello and welcome to Season 2 of Making Melodies. And in this series, we are in Tier 3, the Rambler module, which means it's going to get a little bit more technical. We've got some new techniques to work on, such as that double thumb and the drop thumb technique. So let's not waste any more time and let's put on the screen our first melody line. Now, if you want to pause the video right here, you can do. And I'm ready to play through. What I'll do now, because we're in the Rambler module, we're going to speed it up a bit. We're at 90 beats a minute. We'll just play through this very basic melody line first, and then we'll start decorating it with some more techniques. Okay, I'll count us in. We're in standard open G tuning. And just play along with me. We'll do it a couple of times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and... You guessed it, that is the start, the beginning part of Old Joe Clark. So we're only working on 2 measures at the moment, so it can't be that challenging, surely, but we shall soon find out. Let's add our first layer of technique. So what have we got first of all? Oh, that's easy enough, isn't it? What have we got there? Just a basic Fraley strum at the end. We'll just play through this 2 times because that's not too difficult. Okay, so we're back on 90 beats. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and... 'I think we could do that in our sleep. Let's move it up a notch. What have we got now? Right, so first measure, we're replacing all those single quarter notes with that double thumb technique, which I'm sure we can do. And as always, you can pause the video here, have a go yourself first, and then we'll set a metronome and we'll work through it together. Okay, back at 90 beats a minute now. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and... 1, 2, and 3, 4, and... 1, 2, and 3, 4, and... 'Good job. Right, let's add one more final layer of complexity. So in the last layer, you can see now in the second measure at the beginning, we're just going to replace the single notes with a drop thumb technique. So the first part of measure 2 should sound like this. Okay, so that's using the drop thumb technique that we learnt in the Rambler module. And what we'll do, we'll start it at 90 beats, play for it a few times, then we'll speed it up to a little bit faster, and then we'll go as fast as possible. Lightning speed. Okay, 90 beats. Let's go through this together. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and... 1, 2 and 3, 4 and... One, 2 and 3, 4 and... Okay, not a bad job, not a bad job. Let's speed it up now to 130. I'm going to give this a try. Okay, I'll count us in. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and... One, 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and... One, 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and... Nicely done. Right, let's speed it up one more level. We're going to go up to 170 now. Super fast. Let's see if we can keep up. Good luck if you can. If you can't, don't worry about it. You can always come back to this exercise at a later date. But for now, let's give it a good go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Well done on the first of many making melodies in the Rambler module. Now we're speeding things up, we're getting more technical. It's all about practice, repetition, and don't forget to rest as well, because that's where you learn most of your skills. So see you on the next Making Melodies.